Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your TradeStation account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open your TradeStation application and from the main home page, tap on the login button. You will then find yourself in the sign-in area for TradeStation where you'll need to enter your username and password that you registered with while creating a new account for TradeStation. Start off by typing in your username and then on the next field, type in your password that you created while signing up for TradeStation. Once you provide your information, you will need to select one of your two-factor authentication method to get access to your account. Select any one from the options. In my case, I've chosen the text message. Now enter a phone number for yourself and then select how you would want to receive the verification code. Soon after you do that, tap on Continue. After entering the verification code sent to you via your mobile number or your voice call, go ahead and type in the code and you will be able to log into your TradeStation account. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.